Most drivers assume all dash cams are created equal, but imagine being in an accident and your dash cam fails to capture a critical detail. Every second matters on the road. Welcome to Autovated, where we break down the Vantrue X4S Duo 4K plus 1080p dashcam so you know exactly what you're getting. Based on expert testing, verified buyer feedback, and competitor comparisons, here's what you need to know. The Vantrue X4S Duo combines a 4K front camera with a 1080p rear camera, offering crystal clear footage from both angles. It features dual-band 5G Wi-Fi for fast transfers to your phone through the Vantrue app, enhanced low-light capture with an f1.7 front aperture and f2.0 rear lens, and 24/7 parking mode to catch incidents even when your vehicle is off. Optional GPS tracking shows live speed and routes, and the built-in capacitor ensures reliability in extreme temperatures, a notable upgrade over battery-powered dashcams. Key features to consider. First, the dual 4K plus 1080p recording delivers cinematic clarity for both front and rear views, helping you capture license plates and road signs with precision. Second, the advanced night vision ensures sharp footage in low-light conditions, ideal for city streets or late-night highway driving. Third, the 24-hour parking mode, combined with motion and collision detection, offers peace of mind for unattended vehicles. Lastly, the optional GPS integration tracks routes, speed, and location, which is useful for reviewing trips or insurance purposes. Pros: superb image quality with dual 4K plus 1080p capture, strong night vision, reliable 24/7 parking mode, dual-band 5G Wi-Fi for fast file transfers, and a durable capacitor design. Cons: optional GPS requires an extra purchase. Installation is slightly more involved than single-camera setups, and the rear camera's f2.0 lens is slightly less sensitive in very low-light conditions compared to the front. Compared to competitors like the Thinkware U1000 or Blackview DR900X2CH, the Vantrue X4S Duo offers slightly more affordable dual 4K plus 1080p recording and easier app connectivity. However, its rear night vision isn't quite as strong as some higher-end models, and advanced features like cloud storage are limited. If you found this breakdown useful, why not accelerate your dashcam knowledge? Hit like and subscribe to stay ahead in the fast lane of auto tech reviews. The build quality is solid. The cameras use high-quality lenses and a capacitive design to endure heat and cold, making it more reliable than typical lithium battery dashcams. Vantrue has a strong reputation for support, and most buyers report responsive service when needed. Who it's for? This dashcam is ideal for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants high-resolution footage and 24/7 monitoring. It's less ideal if you need cloud-based storage or top-tier rear low-light performance. Verdict: strong option. If you value high-quality dual-camera recording, night vision, and robust parking monitoring, the Vantrue X4S Duo is one of the stronger choices in its class. For budget-conscious buyers, the Vantrue N4 offers a slightly simpler setup at a lower cost, while high-end users seeking maximum rear night clarity might look at Blackview alternatives. If this review has helped you navigate the dashcam market, a quick like and subscribe keeps you tuned into the latest automotive tech. Thanks for watching, and remember, with Autovated, your ride is always one step ahead.